Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Temperature is dropping to 0 degrees and we're expecting it to go below 0 very soon, and snowfall. It is raining, it is so cold out here, but it cannot stop me from FPV whooping the newest, the most badass 2S brushless FPV whoop of the year, the Eachine Trashcan. Yes, just when I thought I was in love with Mobula 7 and it was the most thrilling and awesome FPV, 2S brushless FPV whoop, Eachine just shatters that image by releasing the new Trashcan. Let me give you a quick looky at the Eachine Trashcan, which is right here in my FPV backpack. We have the nicest indoor type playground right here. No matter how much it's raining, I can still FPV whoop it. I'm gonna have fun with this right here. Alright, so I brought my head cam as well so that I can show you how it flies line of sight, which we are going to do first. And then I also brought fully charged tons of batteries, including the 2S batteries that I'm gonna use to fly the LDARC GT7. I'll fly the Eachine Trashcan with the stock batteries that it came with. It came with 4 batteries. Check this out. This is your Eachine Trashcan. You will have a user manual, extra props, connectors, screwdriver, accessories, and USB dongles to charge the batteries, and of course your beloved Eachine Trashcan. Now I can tell you, this is a 2S brushless FPV whoop of the year, and it really kicks Mobula's ass. And why do I say it? Let's check out the specs. Now that you have seen the specs, the thing that I love about Trashcan is it has a bit tougher frame. It looks like a tougher frame. We'll see how long it will actually hold our FPV whooping here. It's running a better hardware, better specs as well. It has built-in LED system, which I simply love the way it actually moves. And of course, not to mention the powerful punch and performance this quadcopter has. Let me show you line of sight flight of Eachine Trashcan and see how it behaves. Alright, so I'm just gonna take off right from here. Okay, and arm. Now it's windy as well, but this thing is on total stock setup at the moment, okay? I just increased the PIDs, I mean the rates a little bit, so I can have more agile performance out of it, but rest is stock setup. Look at the punch on this. This thing is absolutely fast and punchy actually. See? That's not even full throttle. It's really nice and punchy. And I can actually have lots of fun flying it around. Woo, baby. Woo. Wow. Oh man, it can actually disappear really quickly, I can tell you that. It's like 50%, not even 50% throttle, man. I mean, I'm really scared to go full throttle on this little whoop, that I will probably shatter it in a wall into pieces. Alright, let's check our rate mode. Let's see. Okay. Oh, almost killed it. So very nice rates. I can actually have some really nice flips and rolls. I actually wanted to go and fly at the abandoned clubhouse, but it's raining, so I have to fly it here, man. Sweet. Sweet. Alright, okay, that's enough. Let me use the remaining batteries. Nice landing. Let me use the remaining batteries to set up my video transmitter to 200 milliwatt. This has definitely the smart audio is working, so we will be able to set it up really nice and easy. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.